gives me every time.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's been so many days uploading videos on YouTube. So most of my subscribers requested me to upload a new video. And I'm a guy who don't post videos on regular basis. So as I told you already, because I don't do this for my fame and views, I do this as a service. And I earn from trading rather than YouTube and views. So that is the reason I don't post videos on regular basis. So let me rectify this on the coming days so that I can get in touch with my subscribers as well. So that's a good option to do so. So anyway, so if anyone is interested to open a trading demat account, so you can click on the link given in the description and open a trading account. So that is like I've choose the best two brokers, because when it comes to Zerodha, I do accept Zerodha as a good broker, but it's not good for small investors or traders. So I'll tell you the reason. So if you're trading with something around 10k, 20k, 30k capital, I'm sure Zerodha doesn't work at all. Even if there's a small gap up or small volatility in the market, they just stop the margin. So there'll be no leverage provided, and it will definitely affect the small traders who are trading on a regular basis. So I've choose the best two among all. So one is Zebu and other one is Alliance Blue. So the link will be given on the description. Click on the link and you can open an account on Zebu and Alliance Blue and get exciting benefits from my side as well as from the broker side also. So there are some more else to talk about. If you want to become a full-time trader like me, and you can take up my courses as well, because my courses are something like it's totally different. You'll not get it on YouTube and anywhere. If you want to become a full-time trader, an intense trader, and earn on a regular basis, you can take up my courses and earn consistently on markets. So let's get into the video without wasting time. So today I'm going to talk about a very powerful strategy, but yet very simple. So I don't like to make things complicated, because it should be very much similar to my previous videos, as well as you should understand the concepts also, because if I put into mathematics and formulas, that will be very much complicated to understand. So I made it very simple. I made a scanner as well, so that you'll be getting it very easily. So this strategy is all about picking stocks, the top trending stocks for the day, and trading on it. So this strategy I used to use, and it's already back tested from my side. All you have to do is just listen this video from the starting till the end without skipping it, because most of them, they do it. They'll just watch it for 5 minutes, again they skip it to the next 15 minutes, and they'll come and ask the same doubts again, saying they're not understanding the concept. If you have to understand the concept, you have to listen from the beginning till the end. When you don't have patience to listen this itself, I'm sure you will not have patience in trading. Don't think I'm putting it down. It's not like that, guys. This is totally different. You should have patience when you're doing something. That when it comes to trading, you should have the intense patience to handle things. Okay, let's get into the video now. So in this video, I'm not going to use any tools and nothing, just the basic concepts. First thing what you have to do is just go to charting and click Nifty Hunt. So there is a screener section, right? Click on screeners and click on this part for searching the thing and search Nifty Hunt. So I've already created the scanner for you guys. So Nifty Hunt magical volume. So I've given the description also for this. I'll even give the link also, but this becomes very simple. Just go to charting and search Nifty Hunt. You'll be getting a scanner. Click on the scanner and just keep this in mind. You have to scan exactly at 9:25 in the morning, 9:25 to 9:28. You have to scan this. Just click on run scan at 9:25 to 9:28. You'll be getting a list of stocks. Now I'm going to tell you how to use this list of stocks very effectively. So first thing what we have got is Indigo, that is Interglobe Aviation, that's an aviation stock. So what I'll do, I'll just take Indigo, and this is the first step now. We have to mark the ranges, highs and lows made between 9:30 to 9:45. So 9:30 to 9:45 this is the high made and this is the low made, right? So what is the difference now? If the high breaks and closes above this level, we are going to go for the long side. If the low breaks and closes below this level, we'll go for the short side. I'll even give an example for the short side also, but let's see the first example now. So in this case, the market has broken the high side, so it has closed. Now wait for the buy level. So again it has closed and came up to the buy level and moved up. Now how to select the safe target? This is the first point you should come. So I've already told you the low below this level will be a stop loss, and when it breaks the high level, we'll wait for the ranges again. We'll take a buy. See what has happened today. The market has bounced back from this level and it has went up. Now how to select the safe targets? So always safe targets are the one for consistent profits. If you be greedy, I'm sure you'll be gone. You'll be blown out of the market in a month or on a long run. You'll definitely wash out your profits. So always keep this in mind. Safe targets always consistent. So what is the difference? So 1550 minus 1560 or 1569.52. I'll make it as 1570 on a round. So 20 points. So 20 points is from my level. 1570 plus 20. 1590 is my target. Okay, this is my target. You see, it has broken the range on the upper side. It has bounced back from my range and it has went to the target. Right, you got 20 points solid. First example. I'll just go to next example now. That is Bajaj Finance. Okay. Now the same concept. 930 to 945 highs and lows. So this is a 935 low, 945 high. So this is the high and low made. Again the market has broken on the upper side. Right. Now what should be my target? This should be my buy level. So my target is, guys, please, I'm requesting you once again, please watch this video carefully without skipping. Don't skip the videos. So 3910 minus, let me say it's 4000 around 90 points. So buy level is 4000 plus 90 is 4090 is my target. Yeah, you got solid 90 points. It has broke the range, bounced back and went to the target. So done. Second example. Let me give you another example for sell as well. So let me take Cipla for sell. So I'll mark the ranges of 930 to 945. It's 930 to 945 highs and lows. This was the high made and this was the low made. The low has been broken and closed. So my target is very less here, but still it will be a safe target. You see the low it has made almost like 50 points, say 48 points. But always follow safe target. Even though it gives you the big targets, you should always go with the safe targets, right? So if you're a safe trader, go with safe target. If you're an aggressive trader, wait till the end of the day for the maximum profits, but trail your SL. That's the first thing you should keep in mind. Anyway, this is all about the video. This is very effective. It all depends on how you practice. Stick on to your strategies. If you're following this strategy, what you have to think is just refine the strategy from your side using your technicals and using your psychological levels. But stick on to one strategy instead of multiple strategies. This is all I can say. Anyway, thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please do click on the like button and subscribe to my channel so that we can be in touch and you'll get the regular updates from my side also. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel and get free calls on a daily basis. And thanks for watching once again. Thank you.